Roblox is down, outage detected. If you're trying to play right now and you're getting errors like connection error or unable to connect, don't panic. I'm going to tell you exactly what's happening and how to fix it if it's on your side. First, you need to know if this is a Roblox server problem or just your device. The quickest way is to go to the official Roblox status page or a site like downdetector.com. Type in Roblox. If you see a massive spike in reports, then yes, Roblox is having a global outage. In that case, there's nothing wrong with your account, you just have to wait until Roblox fixes it. Usually, major outages are solved within a few hours, but if there's no global outage reported, then the problem is likely on your end. Here's how to fix it step by step. 1. Restart Roblox completely. Close the app or browser tab fully, not just minimize it, then reopen it. 2. Clear your cache. On PC, press Ctrl-Shift-R to reload without old files. On mobile, go into your settings, find Roblox, and clear the cache or app data. 3. Switch your internet, try turning off Wi-Fi and using mobile data, or connect to another network. 4. Check your device's date and time. Wrong settings can cause Roblox to block your connection. 5. Turn off VPN or proxy. Roblox sometimes blocks VPN IPs, so disable it and try again. 6. Restart your router, unplug it for 30 seconds. Then plug it back in. If you try all this and it still doesn't work, and you don't see a major outage online, it might be a temporary internet routing problem in your area. Wait 20 to 30 minutes and try again, and remember, if it's a confirmed Roblox outage, don't waste time reinstalling the app or game. That won't help and could even delete saved data. So, if you see Roblox is down, outage detected, first check the status, then try these fixes if it's just you, and stay patient if it's a global issue.